He knows now, he knows.
Il comprend pas. C'est l'arrivée qu'on veut, on veut pas.
Why the borders were closed, and so that he's also thanking Mr. President for taking time off his very busy schedule to meet with him to discuss these issues, and to assure him that the relations between the two countries, that he will work towards strengthening them for the benefit of the peoples of the two countries. Regarding the transfer of water into the recharging of Lake Chad, that in 2018 there was a summit meeting of the heads of state of the Lake Chad countries, and that President Muhammadu Buhari was appointed as the champion for this recharging of Lake Chad, and that Nigeria paid money for a feasibility study to be done on this recharging of Lake Chad. And so the issue is really now the financing of it, because we have the feasibility study. It's something that's going to be very capital intensive, cost a lot of money, and we're going to have to depend on technical partners, financial institutions, and other partners to help to finance this. That it's something that is not just for Africans, the impact on it, the environmental impact of a shrinking Lake Chad, but it affects humanity. And so everybody has to really mobilize to find the means to be able to carry out this recharging, and the beneficiaries will be the whole of humanity. So the hope is there that we will achieve this, but the challenge is for us to be able to now realize the dream of recharging Lake Chad. Okay, that's what he was discussing with President Muhammadu Buhari, this issue of the multinational joint task force, that the situation where it is only able to carry out one operation a year makes things very difficult, and the task of defeating Boko Haram more difficult. But with the new security apparatus that has been put in place with the new chiefs of staff, and not only in Nigeria, the security chiefs, but even on the multinational joint task force itself, which also has new leadership, that we're hopeful now that with new strategies and new dynamism, that we'll be able to address definitively the issue of Boko Haram. That all the countries are participating and are taking responsibility, that none of them are shirking their responsibilities, and the military of all the countries also have that sense of responsibility of what needs to be done and what their obligation is, which is to protect all the countries, and that they are fully on track for that. And that with this new security architecture, they're hopeful that things will get much better, and it will be done all together.
Excellency says that Boko Haram is indeed an evil that has hampered the 4 countries of the Lake Chad Basin, and that has done many harm to our populations. It would behoove you to remember that since 2013, 2014, the 4 countries put together their means to create the multinational joint task force. This multinational joint task force has had good results. Unfortunately, the resiliency of Boko Haram and the Islamic State in the Lake Chad Basin has been unprecedented. They are being supplied and being trained and being formed through Libya. The MNJTF has done a lot of work, and as you have seen recently, we have exchanged on this with my brother and on the way ahead, and that with the new team of the Chief Defense Staff and the new commander that has been appointed at the Multinational Joint Task Force, we're convinced that we can eradicate Boko Haram. There's a lot of hope on this new team with this new strategy. I remain confident that the four armies of the four countries can finish this evil and eradicate Boko Haram once for all.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Excellency. Merci beaucoup.